Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about troubleshooting if you're having a Wi-Fi issue on your computer where it says that you do not have an internet but it is a secured connections or network. So this is troubling because with this error, you will stop getting any updates and lose access to most resources. This error is triggered by router problems issues with your network adapter or drivers and sometimes software conflict. And then I'll show you the best solutions. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the network and internet troubleshooter. So when you run this tool, it will scan your computers for any bugs or network related problems and fix them. The tool may also recommend actions to help you fix the issues. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch this Windows settings app. And then from here, left side menu, and then select System, and on right pane, and then click this troubleshoot, and then click this other troubleshooters, and then here at other troubleshooters, so click the run button for internet connections. So click this run, and then we will direct here from help and support. So if there are any recommendations, and then apply them and verify no internet secured error is fixed. So you can see here all the step-by-step procedures and method to fix the issue. So you need to follow all of these instructions. So after this, and the other solutions we will do is to update your network adapter drivers. So the network adapter driver is significant for network communications including internet access on the OS. You may encounter the no internet secured error when corrupted or outdated. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu on the taskbar and then click device manager, and then you need to locate or find this network adapters. So expand the network adapters category and then select the network drivers, and then you need to right click and tap this update driver, and then select this search automatically for drivers, and then we need to wait. So you can see here the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, in hope to resolve the issues, but if the error still persists, and the next solutions we will do is to flash the DNS cache and refresh the computer's IP configurations. On Windows 11, your DNS cache serves as temporary storage locations for DNS results. When it is corrupted, it becomes impossible to resolve some requests and may lead to an error. When you flash the DNS cache, you remove corruptions and make the device request for new lookup results from our routers. And then all you have to do is to select on the start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CND, or this is the command prompt, and then right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and tap yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, in here we need to type this command a keyword ipconfig // DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig and then space / and flash DNS, that is one word, and press enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so type this command keyword NATSH space -1SAC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space -1SAC space reset and press enter. And successfully reset the WinSock catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we need to close the CMD, and then here at the start menu, and then you need to restart again. Okay? Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Wi-Fi error no internet secured on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.